Nandito tayo sa Staten Island, which is papunta tayo na Statue of Liberty.
All passengers must depart the ferry at this time.
Guys, nakikita na natin siya. Ayan na siya guys. Oh my God. Hanapin natin yung ferry papuntang Manhattan. So we have to catch the ferry again. Pabalik. Nasa Central Park tayo. Mapapansin natin, madaming nagpipiknik dito. Guys, say hi to the vlog. Come on guys, we are here. Welcome to Times Square. Nag-i-impake na naman tayo. We are going to Las Vegas. Okay, nasa New York pa rin tayo. We've been here for 3 days. So we still have 7 minutes. So, ito na nga, I'll give you a quick tour of my room here in Las Vegas. Sorry guys, kasi lutang na lutang tayo. Kasi late na kami dumating kagabi, and the thing is, hindi pa kami natulog ng maaga. Nag-ikot-ikot pa kami sa nag-train pa kami, inikot namin yung buong casino sa Las Vegas. So kaya medyo ngarag na ngarag tayo kasi ang pick up time natin is 6 in the morning. I was thinking na baka 7. So nag-chat ulit yung tour guide namin na mga 6 AM daw yung pick up time. So here in Las Vegas, it's 5:49 in the morning. So I'll give you a quick tour. So as you go enter, this is the door going to my room, and this is the cabinet mirror. If you want to check yourself, you know, that's my OOTD for today. Kasi pupunta kami ng Grand Canyon, so simple lang. So this one is the comfort room. Nagamit ko na siya. Yan yung mga gamit ko. Yan na yung bed. It's a king size bed. There is a television. They have a small table there. Kung gusto mong mag-me time. Ang view natin is construction. Ayan. Pero ayan yung MGM Casino. Diyan pumunta kami diyan kagabi. Yan lang yung makikita mo sa view na to. Wala masyadong something special. Mag-sunblock na lang tayo kasi mahirap na. Masyadong mainit sa pupuntahan natin. At saka mainit dito sa Las Vegas. So yan tayo guys, pababa na tayo. Ito yung lobby namin guys. May sigarilyo. So ito na yung labas ng hotel natin. And oh my God, 6 in the morning, tapos may kita mo na yung araw dito. Ayan yung MGM guys. Yes. That's the casino. Yan yung hotel natin. So yan na yung bus natin. Sa bus na tayo. We're just waiting for others. 17.
I do everything in my power to keep this bus as cool as I possibly can. This morning, currently, it's already 87 degrees.
Oh my God, ang init. Hindi natin doon na-anticipate. Sana nagdala ng payong na lang. Hindi ko na-expect na ganito kainit sa Amerika. Aakyatin natin. We will gonna check the Hoover Dam. Hey guys. Oh, ito na nga siguro. Ayan o. Ito na nga yung Hoover Dam. Ito yung pinasabog sa ano to, Mission Impossible eh. So, mainit guys. Hindi tayo nakapaglagay ng sunscreen. Tapos wala pang tulog. That's the Hoover Dam. Ayan guys, ang laki oh. You won't believe it kung paano ginawa to. Guys, everything here is brown. Talagang puro bato, bundok. Ayan siya guys. Mga pinupuntahan dito. So mamaya, pupuntahan natin yung Grand Canyon. Itong bridge na to, tinatawag nilang Bridging Greatness. So mainit siya guys. Hindi ka nga alam pinagpapawisan. Yung dry lang siya.
You're only going to be here for a few minutes. They have some placards up there. You can learn a little bit about the Joshua trees. Remember, listen for the noise.
So ito guys, Church 3, kung mapapansin natin, ang dami guys. So, but we have to be careful kasi ang daming poisonous na ahas daw dito. So pag marinig natin yung mga shh, iwas daw tayo. So ayan yung mga kaibigan ko, ano to, gandang-ganda sa sarili. Ayan. Guys, sobrang ganda oh, tingnan nyo oh. That is the Joshua Tree, which is nakikita mo lang doon sa mga western movies, tapos ngayon, grabe, sarap mo na, ayan o. So, actually ito kilala to dati sa mga ano to mga Native Americans. For thousands of years, prior to European contact, Native American groups lived among the Joshua trees. Dalian natin kasi may iwan tayo guys. Ayan, so much for the picture taking. We just have to, you know, make it faster. Because, you know, we're running out of time. They just give 20 minutes to explore this place. And I think that's too much for us. Okay, so that's our bus. Come on, let's make it fast. Okay. So, pasok na tayo sa Grand Canyon and we just have to show our ticket. Thank you. So, sasakay tayo ng bus. Here we go, guys. Come on.
Ito ka, ma'am.
Yeah. Guys, tara, pababa na kami. Nandito na tayo sa Eagle Eye. So they call it as Eagle kasi parang agila yung, ayun na yung formation ng rock. Love it, I love it, I love it. I love it even more. Sa Eagle Point tayo. This is the sky view. You see that? Kung pupunta kayo dyan, may bayad yan. That one. For my lunch, and this is beef steak with the hot cocoa. Thank you so much. We just have to wait for the bus. And oh my god, ano yan? So that's the bus. Oh god, welcome to Guano Point. So this is the seven wonder of the world. Ayan. Oh my god. Ayan guys, you see that? You can't believe it how those things form. You see that? Mas better pa to siguro if hindi masyadong natatama ng araw. Kasi yung kulay ng nature nababawasan kapag masyadong exposed sa light. You see that? Totoo nga yung mga sinasabi nila na yung mga pumupunta daw dito, karamihan sa kanila umiiyak kapag nakita nila to. Ang dami pa ring tao dito. Ayan o. Punta tayo dun sa pinaka-peak nyo. Para at least ma-appreciate natin. Akyat tayo sa pinaka-peak niya, guys. Parang maganda doon, no? You see that? Oh my God! Ito yung sinasabi natin talaga, yung pinupuntahan dito ng mga tao. It's worth it. So guys, this is me. You know, I'll give you a 360. You see that? Oh. Oh my God, baka mahilo tayo. And here we go. If in case you are asking if drone is allowed here, sad to say, no drone allowed.